Welcome to TagoIO, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the updated and redesigned file system on our platform. Let's start by going over to the Files page and taking a look at the new upload layout and strategy that now directly allows you to upload files from your computer by either clicking on the Upload File button on the top right of your screen, or by dragging and dropping a file directly onto the page. And if we want to transfer entire folders onto the Files page, we can simply create a folder with the New Folder button, give it a name, and then drag and drop the needed files into that folder. You can now also see a nice preview of your file on the right side of the page, providing some key information and making it easier than ever for you to move, make private or public, rename, download, or even copy the URL of a file, as well as giving the option to delete it. And all of these buttons, on top of already being on the sidebar, they're also just as easily accessible by right-clicking on a specific file. And moving files around into a folder, for example, can now also be easily done by simply dragging and dropping them around. Also aided by the ability to use shift-click to select multiple files at a time, and by using control-click to select additional specific files. And that's about all there is to the new updated and now more intuitive than ever file system on our platform. And to learn more, visit TagoIO.